Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue our XSS or cross-site scripting series. Particularly, we'll be looking at a different field, what we are going to perform XSS against. Without further ado, let's head over to Kali Linux VM to start. So the first is to choose the module or choose the bug what we are going to do in this video. Referrer, as you know, referrer is one optional field in request header. Okay, so without a doubt, or it's very obvious, in this video we are going to inject malicious payload into request header as referrer. Okay, let me hit hack. So here the referrer, this is the referrer. Okay, and we can launch Burp Suite to manipulate. Burp Suite can manipulate request header and body very easily. So maybe we need to go back to the previous page. I don't know, maybe we can go back. Okay. And it can enable intercept option. And then we can select the bug one more time. Yes, this one. Hack. Oh, I forgot to set the Foxy proxy referrer hack. And then you can see over here, so the referrer, and we can manipulate referrer here. For example, try to insert JavaScript code. Okay, forward it, and then let me go back. The referrer. We need to inject alert. Okay, forward it. So now let me go back. Yes, as you see, our JavaScript payload has been executed. Very, very easy. So I think that's it. Let me see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.